If you are already sick of pains in your knees and no longer know what to do to cure them, maybe you have heard of Joint Restore Gummies. But does it work? Hello, my name is Karen, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about this product. Joint Restore Gummies is a product approved by FDA and U.S. Hemp Authority. Unlike other products, Joint Restore Gummies uses high-quality ingredients. Each gummy combines 20 mg of CBD, 200 mg of beta-boswellic acid, and just 3 grams of organic cane sugar for a delicious gummy that you'll be excited to take every morning. Note that I am browsing the official product page. Be careful. Joint Restore Gummies is only sold by the official website. I will be leaving the official product link in the description of this video. The manufacturer has a 60-day warranty, or his money back. The ingredients you can see listed on the official website of the product. The conclusion is that the product is worth it, because it is a product that will really get rid of the pains of your knee. Until the next